Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you all are doing great today. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week. Thank you all for your likes. Thank you for your support, and I thank you for your subscriptions as well. Thank you to my old and new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. If today is your first time visiting my channel, or you're just coming across my channel, please do subscribe and support my channel in order for me to continue to grow. Okay, I don't want to remain in the same place I am right now. I need to move forward, and that can only happen with your support. So please subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's get into today's video. Today I'll be featuring kind of Kat Von D. If you're familiar with Kat Von D lipsticks, I'm going to be featuring something that looks similar like that brand. They call it Dupes. So if you don't want to spend too much money on lipsticks and lip glosses that you only use maybe 1 or 2 times, it take about 3 months before you come over to it again because you keep buying. If you're just starting your makeup sets, like you want to be collecting your lipsticks, this will be a good to go for you as well. Honestly speaking, this is not paid, this is non-paid, sponsored or video. Please, this is my own way of going on the internet and researching for products that are affordable and effective at the same time. I'm actually wearing one of it right now, and I'm about to show you. You wouldn't believe it. This lipstick is lip gloss. They are 15 in the set, and I bought it for $16.77. They are matte finishing and waterproof. I've had this one on for over more than 2 hours now. I drank water and it's not moving, not going anywhere. So look at it. I don't want you to see, and it's still intact. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. This is how it is. Okay, didn't that look like Kat Von D? But it's not Kat Von D. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, and what I'm gonna do today is some swatches. Okay, I'm not gonna sit down and apply 15. This is 0707. Look at that. Oh no, how am I out of focus? I'm sorry. See that? I hope you all can see it. This is 05. You all need this black. You know, sometimes you start looking for a black lipstick or a black lip gloss. You don't have to buy it separate. You have it in this package, like totally awesome. I don't know, I feel like I'm getting out of focus. Yes, right here. Ooh, look at that black. It's beautiful. Like, seriously, people, I'm in love with this collection. 15 for that price. See, if you break it down, look like I'm paying $1 something for individually, you know, retail. See that? And this one is number 06. We're almost done. We have 3 more to go. 03. Do I have room? Do I have room? See that? Okay. This is 01. Okay. See that? That is number 01. Then we have 04, which I'm wearing right now. That's the one I have on. So still gonna go ahead and swatch. Pardon me for looking on the other side from the camera. That's the only place for me to see if I'm in view or not. That's where I have my laptop connected to my camera. So that's the one I'm wearing right now, which is 04. And the last one is number 02. So which is this one. And we're gonna go ahead and swatch that. right here. Beautiful pink, like seriously Barbie pink. So we're gonna be trying this O2. I love this shade. I love all the shade, don't get me wrong, but this is the one I just want to go with right now, which is O2. This is number 15, so I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Let's see how this look like. One thing that I can totally tell you about this lip gloss is they dry really fast, because they are supposed to be matte finishing, so they dry pretty fast, they stay much more longer, and they're cheap. Let me say affordable. Okay, they're affordable and what? Effective. Go give it a try. This is not sponsored, okay?
As long as it no cost palava. Mommy say you go treat me well, give me good love and no be kiss and tell. No be stay after that wine and well, make you no go leave your girl for inside well.
Please let me know what you think about this video down below. Please leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I know I said that before, but please help your girl to continue to grow. It's just like I'm in one position right now, but with your help I can be pushed forward, okay? Please help me to continue to grow, support my channel, turn on your notification bell for you to know whenever I upload. And if you're looking for affordable, inexpensive, effective products, always check on this channel.